Okay, traders. Yes, so welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another weekend and another day. So I'm going to share market outlook. So it's just a very quick analysis on gold. And actually, it is just a highlight of the market. So make sure that you do your own analysis to get confidence on the probable direction of the market for the coming week. So this is analysis of the market now from 13th of November to 17th of November. So it is just a 5 days market move. And I do what to call the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame to 4-hour time frame, and sometimes I can go down to 1 hour and 30 minutes time frames. So for the purpose of this analysis, I will be analyzing up to 4-hour time frame, and it's just a very quick analysis, a less than 10 minutes analysis. So let me start with the monthly time frame and provide those key things on a monthly chart. So I'm in a monthly chart already. So now in last weekend analysis, I talked about the powerful bullish candle. Now the previous month candle. So now you see this month as just moving in opposite direction to the previous month. So mostly what we have to expect in a monthly candle, now this candle is going to move to around the 50% of the previous candle. So from that 50% move, from there now we'll be looking for continuation to the upside. So this is the highlight. So we still have some space for this monthly candle to the downside to reach the 50%. So mostly let's expect some movements to the downside now in the coming week. So that's the overview, but as I'm going down to lower time frames, I will provide an exact price movement and the possible entry for the coming week. So we had a very fantastic trade this week, and actually it has moved in our favor. So we had a discussion in Telegram channel. So if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, you can join. A link is in a video description if you are watching this video through YouTube, and if you are watching through Trading View, actually you can go to the homepage and find a link to the YouTube channel where you can find links to our social media. So that's how things go. So let me go straight to the weekly time frame and see what is possibly likely to happen. So now in weekly time frame, we see the drawings and wave counts there. So mainly we have the ABC that was already completed. So based on the drawings, so I had this level last week, and what I said, I was looking for a possible continuation to the upside or break to the downside. So actually the break to the downside has happened. So price has came again to the level. So this level was a support for 2 weeks, and currently now it's going to turn into resistance because the price is moving below it. So now what is possibly going to happen next week is, now since price has broken this level, so we expect a retest to the upside before price continue moving to the downside. So that is main idea in a weekly time frame, and mostly consider the current bearish momentum. There is a stronger bearish momentum now. This week indicates those things. That is powerful. So let me quickly go to daily time frame and see the possible information in daily time frame. So in daily time frame, we see now for those who no A-lot wave, so we see the ABC to the downside. So we have this movement up to this region here. So this is A. So when I'm saying that in weekly time frame we are looking for a possible retest to the upside, we have this level here that was broken in weekly time frame. So a retest to the upside will be in formation of wave B. So after formation of wave B, we expect a possible continuation in completion of wave C to the downside. So now currently we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these constitute wave A. So wave B can be any corrective wave, can be maybe zigzag, can be either flat, or can be maybe triangle, so anything else. So as we go to 4-hour time frame, probably I can provide a possible trade in 4-hour time frame based on this possible move to the upside in formation of wave B. So that is very powerful. Then in 4-hour time frame now, basically what we see here is a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So we have clear 5 wave to the downside that constitute wave A. So mainly currently price is in a fifth wave. So possibly it has already completed, or we can still have a little movement to the downside. So mostly I expect we can have a little movement to the downside on opening of the market. Then after, so we have this trend line here. So make sure that you watch a possible break above this trend line. So when the price has already broken above the trend line, we'll be looking for a retest. So retest it to this trend line. After retest, we can trade this move to the upside. And basically, this is going to happen if this corrective wave here will be a zigzag. So if we'll be having an ABC zigzag, so we can trade with wave C of a zigzag that will be constituted of the 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside. So then after price moving to around the levels of 1970, so we'll be now looking for completion of those 5 wave move of the wave C, and then from there we'll be looking now for cells. Now those cells will be in the 5 wave move, so we'll expect the other 1 2 3 4 5 to the downside in a completion of wave C of the bigger degree ABC to the downside. So mainly uh I'm not currently encouraging taking buys straight from here. No, we can take buys when the price has already broken this trend line and we are sure that price is going to form an ABC to the upside. But if we don't see that, mostly we have to watch for possible corrections to the upside, then consider sell opportunities now for the coming week. But we can take those short buys if we recognize an ABC to the upside. So that is powerful. So that's all. That's how we're going to trade next week. And actually watch the previous analysis. It still had a lot of information about the possible price movement in this week. That's why I have done this as an additional informations, but the overall direction is still guided under the previous week analysis. So that is all. Thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.